already I have paid around 10
How
lakh
much
rupees.
was the loan amount?
37 odd lakh rupees वो उसमें है.
So how much have they recovered from?
सर
township?
ये एक प्रॉपर्टी बेच के 14 odd lakh rupees वो रिकवर कर लिए हैं. 10 मैंने जमा भी कर दिए सर. 8.5 lakh रुपए in compliance of the order passed by DRT, and prior to that 1.5 lakh rupees. My
Sir.
party is very much here.
Sir, total outstanding as of now, my lord, inclusive of interest. It is around 43 lakhs 4,564.
सर 14 में
After,
तो
just a
जी,
minute.
जी.
After appropriation of the sale proceeds and even the deposit which he has made, my lord.
Outstanding as per you is 27 lakhs.
27 47.
जी. नहीं, total interest भी है sir उसमें ना. Total dues है. Outstanding plus interest. Outstanding, your lordship will find here details लिखा उसमें balance amount और plus हाँ plus this amount has to be added toward the interest.
No, how much have you recovered
Penalty.
from auction of that property?
15 and odd lakhs.
वो कहाँ adjust किया?
वो adjusted है sir. ये this is the calculation which my bank has provided to me today itself. This is the amount, balance amount, my lord, 27 lakhs 62,532, and the interest, my lord, 19 lakh 56,000. हाँ, details में जो लिखा ना sir.
You say penalty interest becomes a problem.
Yes. But
Sir,
they have agreed upon that. And
Yeah.
secondly, your lordship may kindly have the order, my lord. Firstly, they are having alternative remedy under section 18.
Mr. Chaturvedi,
Ji.
we have indicated to him, if he
Yes.
wants an adjudication,
Ah.
he'll have to go to DRT.
DRT, they have
If he
already
wants
DRT, my lord.
If
Because,
he wants to settle with you,
yes.
he's
That's
free
what
to
I-
approach the bank for a settlement.
That what I have already
Go to the bank,
asked.
settle with them,
But-
pay their amount. If they release it, they release it.
Certainly, your lordship, 30
But
days
before
time.
us, no relief, go to DRT.
Sir, I go down with that.
Then
30 days time may be granted.
My lord, here
अभी
interest,
बोलिए
third
तो-
party interest has been
Sir,
created.
अभी
Now
बस
sales
amount पे
certificate
नहीं आया,
has
अभी तो मैंने amount पे, sir.
third
Ma'am,
party interest.
has
go ahead.
already been created. Sales
Sir,
certificate
there are
that-
two properties, sir. एक property पे हुआ है.
हाँ, in this- वही बता-
Insofar
वही
as,
बता-
insofar as Godown is concerned, he is conceding. He says you take it.
That's what I.
बेच दिया third
My
party
lord-
को sales certificate issue कर दीजिए.
My lord,
Possession-
this is what they are, in fact, this property, so far as this, your lordship may kindly have annexure P1, page number 11. The property described at property number 2 that has been sold, that too on 28/7/23. And we are supposed to hand over the possession to the auction purchaser, my lord, he is creating hindrance. Every time. Yes,
Sir,
there was
Sir,
just a minute, just a minute.
Sir,
तो
There
आप
was an order in
you take
favor.
possession, you have possession?
Lord,
Possession ले चुके हैं आप?
नहीं लिया. ये बार तो ये था सर, इनके पास इंटरिम ऑर्डर था जिसमें डिपॉजिट का ऑर्डर था. दे डिफॉल्टेड इन मेकिंग द रीपेमेंट.
सेल सर्टिफिकेट देख लें, उसमें लिखा है कि पोजीशन उन्होंने ले लिया है, सर.
सर
तो ठीक
सिंबॉलिक
है.
पोजीशन ली.
No, we will, no, 1 second, Mr. Chaturvedi. We will record a statement, possession is yours. Go and deliver possession.
My party is very much here.
हाँ, तो ताला तोड़ के जो है दे दीजिए. गोडाउन माल समेत चला जाएगा फिर.
तो मैं माल निकाल लूंगा इधर.
हाँ, तो
वो गोडाउन पे पोजीशन देता है, घर बच जाएगा.
सेटलमेंट अगर करनी है तो बैंक पे जाके सेटल करिए.
सर उसके लिए भी सेटलमेंट करने के लिए तैयार है, क्योंकि सर ये प्रॉपर्टी दो दे हैव ऑक्शन, सेल सर्टिफिकेट इशू हो गया, रजिस्ट्री नहीं होगी बिकॉज खसरा एंट्रीज.
दैट इज देयर
तो
आउट.
देखेंगे.
हाँ.
That is their outlook.
Ultimately government lender,
Sir,
in that case they have
उसके-
committed the fraud, my lord.
नहीं, नॉट कमिटेड फ्रॉड सर.
Yes, yes.
सर
You are
इन्होंने
saying so.
करवाई थी सर.
अरे नहीं.
सर आई एम वेरी सर, अगर ये फ्रॉड की बात करें, सर्च तो इन्होंने करवाई थी ना. देयर ओन बैंक ऑफिसर है इसका सर्च दैट प्रॉपर्टी. सर अभी क्या हुआ कि रीनंबरिंग खसरे होते हैं, उस कारण से सरकार में दर्ज हो गई सर. एंड अभी खसरे में सर, रिसेंटली खसरे में तो सर्च इन्होंने करवाई. सर्च में इन्होंने क्या
उस समय तो नहीं
सर
हो गई, अब तो कैसे हो गई?
दिस I don't
That's what
want
I'm saying, my lord, he
sir,
has not complied
sir,
with the
I
order.
don't want to dispute all those facts. So far as both the one property is concerned, I'm ready to that residential house. Second property में सर ट्राई कर तो कोशिश तो करे सर.
क्या?
सर हम जाते हैं, अगर वो जो ऑक्शन परचेजर आता है, इफ ही वांट्स कि सर मुझे मेरा पैसा अलॉन्ग विद एप्रोप्रिएट रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट वापस कर दे, क्योंकि सेल 1.5 साल से नहीं हुई है, तो आई एम रेडी टू गिव दैट अमाउंट आल्सो. I'm
Not understood your offer. Insofar as Godown is concerned, you are saying it's been sold, let them transfer it.
but the sale
Not for the Godown, no?
I'm having the recent
For the Godown or the house?
नहीं, गोडाउन हैज
गोडाउन तो ऑक्शन कर दिया,
जी
आप कह रहे हैं गोडाउन ले जाएं, जिसको देना है दे दें, हम अपना सामान निकाल लेते हैं, दैट्स
Sir-
व्हाट यू आर सेइंग।
ये इट्स दूसरा मेरे पास में आया है मल्टीपल ऑप्शन सर, जो ऑप्शन किया है उन्होंने
All
प्रॉपर्टी।
these options will be before DRT. We had issued notice only on the understanding that you wanted to settle with them.
आई एम रेडी
Beyond that, you know the view that this court has taken.
certainly your
You
lordship.
have to go to DRT.
Sir, I am ready to settle both the properties.
Go to them, request them. We are not going to direct any stay or anything.
तो सर वो तो ये
The only-
होते कि सेटल करने के लिए तैयार है तो
अरे हम कैसे बोले, हमारे को भी अथॉरिटी नहीं है सर, इट इज अप टू द हायर अथॉरिटीज ऑफ द
Sir,
बैंक। देयर इज अ प्रोसीजर प्रिस्क्राइब्ड,
तो आई एम अप्रोच ईच एंड एवरी
one
अथॉरिटी
fine morning they will make request, how I can say?
Go to DRT. They have the power to permit whatever relief you want.
So far as my residential house is concerned, it's a 700 square feet order.
You
I'm
see,
ready to settle.
all these arguments and all these pleas, one has to think before keeping the property as mortgaged. Why did you keep your residential house as mortgage if you were in difficulty? कि खाली नहीं करेंगे जी, घर हमारा है, तो गिरवी क्यों रखा था? ना रखते उस समय, ना लेते लोन। लोन लेने के टाइम तो जी जो बोलेंगे दे देंगे, अब जब उनका पैसा वापस देने की बात है तब घर नहीं चाहिए जी, हमारा रेजिडेंशियल हाउस है। That we are
एक
not-
बोनाफाइड देखें सर कि 10 लाख रुपए जमा कर दिए सर इन
Don't
कंप्लायंस।
give us any offer.
नहीं, आई एम नॉट गिविंग एनी ऑफर, आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग द बैंक बैंक सर,
Approach the
so
bank.
far as the residential house is concerned, I am ready to settle that.
You see, the offer should be, insofar as the godown is concerned, मैं 2 दिन में 4 दिन में अपना सामान निकाल लूंगा, आप गोडाउन को ले लीजिए, कर लीजिए। घर का है, I'll approach you. That is the only thing, and we'll dispose it off with that understanding, no stay.
बताइए ना।
नहीं तो आप जाइए DRT में ट्राई करिए।
वो ऑलरेडी पेंडिंग है सर ऐसे।
ऐसे
Against
already
interim
pending
order
है
they have come before your lordship and I am raising the objection that
Oh, that's right, this is the order.
yes, against the interim order. And the
Non-compliance of that
DRT
order.
granted them stay, my lord. But they failed to deposit the amount, they moved up application for extension that was filed subsequent after expiration of the period stipulated in the order, my lord, and everything.
Three changes.
Sale certificate has been issued, we are supposed to
Not
give him
not denying
possession,
all
everything.
those things, your lordship. That I'm not
And
not
auction
denying.
is under challenge.
Sir,
So what relief are you seeking from?
I'm just want ki my residential house, I will ready to approach before the bank
DRT.
for the,
DRT, we are not
My
granting
lord,
stay.
because I will lose my residential. I'm ready to hand over the godown portion is concerned.
You see, we have consistently held this court in SARFAESI matters will not interfere.
Certainly.
You want to go to DRT, approach the DRT. Normally, when people come before us, extension of time of DRT order, if no third party rights are created, we extend it. If third party rights are created, then we can't help it.
Residential house property.
DRT, not here,
So I
or the
already,
bank.
already approached before the DRT, interim
Bank.
order has been passed. Subsequently, I didn't comply the part portion, only 1.5 lakh rupees.
No,
sir.
for the residential house, was there a protection order?
Both.
Subject to deposit of how much amount?
10 lakh rupees and I have deposited 8.5 lakh rupees.
6.50 lakhs they have deposited, they defaulted the remaining amount, they have not deposited, my lord. And subsequently, they filed application for this extension of time, that too after expiration of time stipulated in the order.
वो
That
मैंने
has come in the order.
P5 लगा के रखा है, उसमें 8.5 लाख रुपए डिपॉजिट
हाँ, तो
DRT के ऑर्डर के बाद।
उसमें 2.5 लाख रुपए जिनने बाद में बात की।
वो तो कुछ 10 दिन बाद जमा किया।
हाँ।
So how much have you deposited?
I deposited 8.5 lakh rupees after the order of DRT.
DRT said 10 lakhs.
10 lakh, 8.5.
That was for both the properties.
Of both the properties.
You
Six.
deposited 8.5.
8.5.
सर इसमें मैं थोड़ा क्लियर
मैं एक उसमें बता दे रहा हूँ कि मैंने जो 2.5 लाख रुपए है वो जो 2 महीने का समय था उसके 10 दिन बाद मैंने जमा किए थे, वो एनेक्सर P5 में मैंने लगा के रखा है सर।
in compliance, so far as compliance is concerned, 6.30 up to the cutoff date.
No.
8.5.
Yes,
P5.
2
Yes.
lakhs has been deposited on 21/3/24. Whereas the cutoff date was up to 15/3/24
10 दिन बाद।
और उसमें भी इनने कुल मिला के
Original date for 10 lakhs?
Original, that too I have to deposit within a period of 2 months. That order is page number 34, your lordship. ये
15/3.
March 2024.
yes, no.
So 1 year period is
15
Yes.
2024 तक जमा करने थे सर, जो मैंने 15 दिन का एक मोहलत और
अब 1 साल और बढ़ गया. How much more will you deposit? How much is the loan amount? How much is the
34,
balance? 47 is the balance.
34 पेज नंबर 34 में देखिए सर ऊपर
43 is balance as per that.
नहीं लोन अमाउंट 34 जो 13(2) का नोटिस दिया डिमांड
49 lakhs.
सर ये मैं ऊपर पढ़ देता हूँ 34 पेज नंबर पे
हाँ वो तो हमने उस समय की थोड़ी आउटस्टैंडिंग बताई.
नहीं आप उसमें
सर,
मैं पूरा पढ़
जैसे-
देता हूँ सर मैं एक मिनट पढ़ देता हूँ आवेदक पक्ष की ओर से दी जानकारी प्रकाश में
अरे ये
जो-
outstanding
वैसे
बताई.
what
हाँ
we-
देनदारी शेष है
सर ये
हाँ,
लोन
हाँ, yes, sir.
मैं बताऊं.
what we are going to do is,
मालूम
insofar as godown is concerned, hand over possession of the godown, they can deal with the godown as they want to. Since residential house has not been auctioned as yet,
मालूम
subject to further orders to be passed by DRT and on your depositing an enhanced amount now of 15 lakhs. 10 by DRT, 8.5 you deposited, add 5 more to it, the DRT will consider about the house.
प्रेजेंस ऑफ
Sir, my consent, man, be recorded. Your lordship, may come. Kindly, because of the institution is there, my lord, I can't consent. I have no authority to give consent.
Please explain to him because we want his undertaking to be recorded.
नहीं मैंने उनको समझा दिया
आप समझा लो उसको
नहीं सर वो
अच्छे
कर
से।
दे आप नहीं सर
6.5 लाख और जमा कराने हैं, गोडाउन का कब्जा देना है।
6.5 लाख रुपए जमा कराने गोडाउन में कब्जा देना
तो आपका घर ऑक्शन अभी नहीं होगा, वो डीआरटी जो उस पर कार्रवाई करेगा करेगा। ठीक है, कब तक जमा कराएंगे और कब तक कब्जा देंगे?
पोजीशन नहीं लेंगे Possession का
They are praying for.
नो नो बोथ थिंग, गोडाउन का कब्जा देना है और 6.5 लाख रुपए और जमा कराने हैं।
ठीक
गुड, कब दोगे कब्जा गोडाउन का?
30 दिन 30 डेज सर
फिर इनका अमाउंट बढ़ जाएगा। बैंक की तो घड़ी चल रही है।
तो सर
फाइनल सेटलमेंट
28/7/23 में ऑप्शन की है प्रॉपर्टी.
सर वो वही तो मैं बता रहा हूँ उसको भी सेटल कर लें वो जो रजिस्ट्री नहीं कर
अरे
सकते
भाई हम थर्ड
Well,
पार्टी.
that is their outlook. You don't be concerned about it.
My lord, one more submission. If गोडाउन में सर उसमें फूड ग्रेन्स है तो 10 days टाइम में भी ग्रांटेड टू
We are
रिमूव
giving time till 15th May to vacate handover possession and deposit the money,
मालूम
failing which the order of DRT comes into force.
मालूम
Petitioner impugns order dated 20.3.2025, whereby the application of the petitioner seeking extension of time to comply with order dated 15/1/2024 has been dismissed by the DRT. By order dated 15/1/2024, the debts recovery, the petitioner had taken a loan from the respondent bank. The account of the petitioner became non-performing asset. Accordingly, the bank initiated proceedings under the Securitization, etc., full form learners, SARFAESI Act, pursuant to which the symbolic possession of the godown,
Properties secured.
taken a loan, so petitioner had secured the loan by providing security of a residential house and a godown. Since the account of the petitioner became a non-performing asset, the bank initiated proceedings under the SARFAESI Act and took symbolic possession of the godown. So we are informed that the godown has already been, symbolic possession of the godown. Petitioner thereafter approached the Debts Recovery Tribunal and the subject order was passed.
My lord, in fact, the auction was scheduled on 6/10/2022. And this sale certificate has been issued on 28/7/23.
Put the property to auction and a sale certificate was issued on 28/7/2023.
Auction on 16/11/22.
Doesn't matter.
16/11.
Go approach the DRT where DRT passed this order. Petitioner admittedly failed to deposit the amount. Thereafter, petitioner approached the DRT for extension of time, which has been declined by order dated 20.3.2025. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that petitioner is willing to settle with the bank. However, without prejudice to the rights and contentions of the parties and subject to further orders to be passed by the Debt Recovery Tribunal, he submits that petitioner shall vacate and hand over the peaceful vacant possession of the godown to the bank on or before 15th May 2025, and thereafter the bank may hand over the possession to the auction purchaser and adjust the amount of sale consideration towards the loan account of the petitioner. He further states that petitioner shall pay a further sum of rupees 6.5 lakhs to the respondent bank on or before 15th May 2025. Full stop para. The undertaking of the petitioner, offer of the petitioner is keeping with the facts and circumstances of the case. The offer of the petitioner is accepted. Petitioner is directed to hand over the peaceful vacant possession of the godown to the bank on or before 15th May 2025 and deposit a further sum of rupees. Now, this is to be paid to the bank or to the DRT?
To the bank. Bank.
Deposit a further sum of rupees 6.5 lakhs with the over and above the 8.5 lakhs already deposited with the bank on or before 15th May 2024.
25.
In case petitioner complies with the above undertaking, the interim protection granted to the petitioner by order dated 15/1/2024 of the Debt Recovery Tribunal shall revive. In case petitioner fails to comply with either of the two conditions or both the conditions, the order dated 15/1/2024 shall be deemed to have been vacated without recourse to court, and the Tehsildar and the respondent bank would be at liberty to proceed further in accordance with law.
My lord, may I request, ma'am? So description of property may kindly mention in order to,
So,
it is page number 11 may kindly be seen
Page 11
of my petition.
of his petition. my lord. Property described at serial number 2, my lord. Ji.
700 square feet is the residential house and 900 is the godown.
936.
930.
So this is Mauja Damadia Sthit Bhumi
जी, जी.
Khasra number is the residential house.
138 का अंश part of
And Sampatti
जी, हाँ.
Cramang number 2 is the godown.
Is the godown.
So जहाँ लिखा ना mortgaged his residential house, then say within bracket करके उसका description दे देना. And godown का फिर second property का description at page 11, annexure P1 पे.
My formal opposition may kindly be recorded, my lord, your lordship. And what I am saying, my lord, outstanding deeds I have narrated, your lordship, that may
उसमें
kindly.
एक जगह जहाँ लिखा ना कि gives a statement.
Alternate.
Learned counsel for the respondent submits that the respondent is unable to accept any offer given by the petitioner as petitioner is a persistent defaulter. He submits that as on date, approximately rupees 43 lakhs is due. We note that the respondent bank has not impugned the order of the interim order passed by the Debt Recovery Tribunal granting interim protection subject to petitioner depositing a sum of rupees 10 lakhs. Full stop. The order passed by the Debt Recovery Tribunal or of interim protection in favor of the petitioner on deposit of the rupees 10 lakhs was to inure to the benefit of the petitioner in respect of both the secured assets. Since petitioner has surrendered his claim for the godown and is willing to enhance the amount of rupees 10 lakhs to, as fixed by the DRT, to 15 lakhs. In the interest of justice, we direct.
Sir, highly
Two things, your lord. Presence of the petitioner.
और जहाँ लिखा ना Learned counsel for petitioner
One-
under instructions from
one-
Shri
No.
Amit Kumar Mali.
He's a proprietor of this firm.
Sunil Kumar.
ये ब्रदर को बड़ा
बड़ा भाई दोनों both are the proprietor.
Shri, there can't be two proprietors.
सर वो
Amit Kumar.
दोनों के हाँ
Amit Kumar.
जी सर अमित
अमित कुमार.
Amit Kumar Malviya. Then say
He is also one of the mortgages.
Is a mortgager. He is one of the borrower.
doesn't matter.
One
Uh,
more.
One second. Last पे लिखना. It is clarified that this court has neither considered nor commented on the merits of the contention of the either party. It would be open to the Debt Recovery Tribunal to proceed further in accordance with law without being influenced by anything stated on merits in this order or any arrangement made by this order.
It's open to the parties for settlement because there are chances of settlement
You
because
always approach them.
that may be observed, your lordship, because sir, the person who has purchased the property, auction purchaser, is a friend of this Mr. Mali. There are fair chances of settlement of the entire.
So उससे
That
खरीद
we
लो,
open. That we
उससे
open.
खरीद लो. You see, you have set him up to purchase
Sir,
your
अभी
own
तो-
property. उससे
अभी
settle कर
तो
लो.
सर वो शासन के नाम पे दर्ज हो गई, तो it's
अब वो-
बहुत दिक्कत है.
You can't use these proceedings to settle that dispute. He's, you must have,
नहीं सर, वहां पर 3 प्रॉपर्टी थी, इनका जो रेसिडेंशियल हाउस है वो भी शासन के नाम पे दर्ज हो गया. नहीं सर, नहीं है, वहां पर और भी काफी सारी प्रॉपर्टी सब शासन के नाम पे
25 मकान है सर.
सारे शासन के नाम पे दर्ज हो गए.
बैंक को न देना पड़ेगा, शासन को दे दो.
सर